Good morning, Coach Annie here from Tiny Troops Soccer. I'm the coach trainer with Tiny Troops, and I come on every Friday for a little game or activity idea for you to do at home to keep your little ones active, healthy, moving around, entertained. So today I have an activity that is a simple one for you to do. I'm in a big echoey house right now. I'm in the middle of a move, and so I just used what I had around. So this is our pumpkin patch hop. So I had some just regular paper that I cut out into being pumpkins. Some are a little better than others with my pumpkin cutouts, and then I just wrote little activities that we're gonna do on each of the pumpkins. So the idea for this is that you are cutting out as many pumpkins as you want, coming up with activities for your little one to do. You can have them help you think of ideas. I have a single leg hop, I have fly like an airplane, I have grab some pumpkins, and then pick some apples. So I try to think of a couple that were a little fall themed. You can think of some Thanksgiving themes. You can have them be turkeys moving around. You can have them, the best thing would probably be to find some things that they love. If they love Paw Patrol, think of something that's related to Paw Patrol and have them do that. If they love Bluey, have them do something that's related to Bluey. Some action or activity to get them moving and have them have fun, and especially using their imagination. So all you need is just some paper and a pen, and then we're gonna put these pumpkins on the ground like we're in a pumpkin patch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these around here for a little bit. And then they can start on one end of the room, and then they're just gonna hop over to one of the pumpkins and then read what it says. You can help them. You can also draw little pictures on it so they can see what it is and be able to recognize it themselves. So this one is grab some pumpkins. So for this one, I thought we could get down low, like we're grabbing all these pumpkins, moving around, and then you'll move to the next pumpkin over here. You can see me. And this one says single leg hops. So I'm gonna hop on one leg all the way over to the other pumpkin on this side over here. And this one says fly like an airplane. So I'm gonna get my airplane wings out and I'm gonna fly over to this last pumpkin that says pick some apples. So this one we gotta reach really high and pick some apples. And you can go all the way back to the start over here, picking some apples. And you can go fast. You can go through it a few times. You can mix them up. You can have them flipped over so they don't know what's coming next. And like I said, you could have as many as you want. You can move them all around the house. And it'd be really fun if you had your little ones helping you create these activities. And I'm out of breath just doing that one time. And then always my biggest tip here is to always add music to it. Music and movement go hand in hand. And so you definitely want to have some music around, because then it'll just add to the energy and the fun of it. And if you join in and do it with them, will be even more fun. So there's my little pumpkin patch hop idea. Just cut out some pumpkins, put some activities for them on it to do, and then spread them out and have them hop around to each pumpkin doing those activities. So it's just a really simple one. Like I always say, I always try to have activities that are simple for you to do wherever you are. So whether you're in the middle of a move too, just grab some paper and throw it out down and then you're ready to go. I always am trying to think of activities that you can do at home with things you already have on hand, or simple things you can grab while you're out and about. So that's what this pumpkin hop is all about. You just need some paper, and you can make it fun and get orange paper and have markers and color all of these and make it even have that be its own a crafty activity before you do the movement activity. So lots of variations of things that you can do to make this even more fun for your kiddos. So before I log off today, I have a couple of announcements. Let me grab my iPad here so I can make sure I'm remembering all the announcements I want to tell you all. So first one is a really exciting thing that we have our monthly giveaway, and this month for our November giveaway, we're asking that you send in some testimonials, a quick video of you saying why you love Tiny Troops, or how your child has loved Tiny Troops, what they've learned in Tiny Troops, participating on the soccer field. Tell us a great thing about your coach. We have really amazing, awesome coaches, and so we'd love to always hear good feedback from them. It boosts them up, and we want them to feel appreciated. So if you want to say something great about your coach, you can do that. Just a quick little video that you can send us, telling us some good things about Tiny Troops Soccer, and then you can send that to info@tinytroopsoccer.com, and then you're entered in this giveaway. And then what you'll win is a free month of sessions on Soccer Island. So we'll send you a voucher for a free month so that you have your little one on the field at no cost to you. And so this goes all the way through the 30th of this month. So you've got plenty of time, but get those videos in so you don't forget before the holidays. Thanksgiving comes around and you're busy. So get those in, and then you'll be entered in to win that giveaway of a free month of sessions on the field. The second announcement is just so you know that all of our locations do take off December as a little winter break. And some of our locations do take extra months off if it's too cold or in the winter to play. So some locations come back in February, some come back in January, some come back in March. So you'll just have to look on our website. We have information there. You can always message us at Tiny Troop Soccer on Facebook, and we can answer your questions there. And so just so everybody knows that on November 15th this month, if you do have a recurring subscription, you will not be charged because we do not have sessions at any of our locations come December. And then come January, or whenever your sessions start back up, you'll need to re-enroll for those sessions. So it will be a new year, a new subscription that you'll purchase, and so then you'll re-enroll come the new year. So if you have any questions about any of those things, you can always message us at Tiny Troop Soccer on Facebook, or you can email us at info@tinytroopsoccer.com, and we'll be happy to answer your questions there. And also be sure to join our parents Facebook group. We have lots of information there posted all the time, and good way to connect with other parents at your location and see pictures of your little ones out there on the field that coaches take, and lots sorts of fun things going on in there. So join us on our parents Facebook page. Enjoy the holidays, and I'll see you again next week for another activity that you can do at home with your little ones. And we hope to see you on Soccer Island soon. Have a great day. Bye.